Want to make your home feel extra warm and cozy this winter? These Amazon gadgets bring comfort, convenience, and a touch of luxury to every corner of your space. From keeping you toasty to making everyday tasks easier, they're designed to make winter feel effortless and relaxing. Check out the links in the description to grab yours. Reading in bed just got way easier. This bendable neck light wraps comfortably around your shoulders, giving you hands-free illumination exactly where you need it. With 3 color modes and 6 brightness levels, you can adjust the light for cozy bedtime reading or bright detail work like knitting or repairs. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 80 hours, so you won't be hunting for outlets. Tension melts away the moment you wrap this microwavable heating pad around your neck and shoulders. Filled with natural herbs and flax seeds, it delivers warm, moist heat that soothes sore muscles instantly. You can also chill it in the freezer for a cooling therapy option, perfect for aches or injuries. The soft, skin-friendly cover makes it cozy to wear while working, relaxing, or even driving. Cold fingers ruining your day? These heated gloves feel like slipping your hands into a pocket of warm air. They heat up in seconds and keep both sides of your hands toasty while still letting you move your fingers freely. A built-in rechargeable battery means no cords, no hassle. Just grab them and go. You can switch between 3 heat levels and enjoy hours of steady warmth on a single charge. Perfect for work, driving, or winter adventures when you need warmth without giving up comfort or control. Working or studying from the couch just got a major upgrade. This portable lap desk gives your laptop a stable surface while the cushioned pillow keeps your lap comfy. Anti-slip pads and a storage pocket hold your mouse, tablet, or essentials right where you need them. It fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, making it perfect for work or study anywhere. Here's comfort you can literally sink into. This oversized chaise wraps you in softness with its deep, cloud-like seat that's perfect for reading, relaxing, or napping. It spans over 81 inches and supports up to 450 pounds, giving you and your pets plenty of space to stretch out. Thick foam filling keeps you cushioned for hours without losing support. And with its curved shape and chenille fabric, it brings a cozy, luxurious vibe to any room. Sometimes you just need a little calm on your desk. This LED waterfall fountain brings that tiny slice of nature vibe right into your room. The gentle water sound helps you focus, relax, or drift into meditation. The built-in mist maker creates a soft, colorful fog that makes the whole scene feel alive. You just add water, plug it in, and enjoy your own peaceful mini landscape. Here's a little seat that works way harder than it looks. Lift the fluffy top, and you get a hidden storage spot for all the small things you want out of sight. The soft faux fur cushion makes it comfy to sit on while you get ready. The metal legs keep it steady, and the adjustable feet help it stay level on any floor. Use it as a vanity chair, a footrest, or even a tiny side table in a pinch. Sometimes you just want a chair that hugs you back. This oversized lounge chair wraps you in soft faux fur and cushy filling, so you feel like you're sinking into a cloud. The matching foldable Ottoman lets you stretch your legs and unwind your whole body. A handy side pocket keeps your phone, remote, or book right within reach. The sturdy steel frame keeps everything steady, making it perfect for reading, relaxing, or taking a well-earned break. Meet the little caddy that finally tames your couch chaos. This handy organizer keeps your drink steady with a self-balancing cup holder that stays upright even on soft cushions. You get separate sections for snacks, remotes, and small essentials, and you can rearrange them any way you like. There's even a built-in spot to charge your devices using your own power bank. If you love getting cozy with a book or game, this pillow makes the whole setup even better. The built-in armrests give your arms a comfy place to relax so you don't tense up or get tired. A curved groove underneath lets your legs sink in and feel supported, whether you're on the couch, bed, or floor. Side pockets keep your remote, phone, or book within easy reach. Ready to bring a little magic into your room without lighting a single flame? These flickering pillar candles glow with tiny star-like lights inside, giving your space a soft, dreamy shine. You can control everything with the remote, brightness, flicker mode, even a daily timer so they turn on by themselves. They're completely safe too, so kids and pets can wander around worry-free. Perfect for holidays, movie nights, or adding calm to any corner of your home. If you're trying to fix your sleep routine, this little clock packs everything into one bedside buddy. You get soothing nature sounds, a soft night light, and a sunrise-style wake-up that eases you out of sleep instead of jolting you awake. The clock brightness can dim all the way down so it won't glow in your face at night. Setup is simple, and a backup battery keeps your settings safe even during power cuts. If you've got a kid who loves to draw, this projector takes their creativity to a whole new level. It shines any image right onto the paper so they can trace it step by step, and the app lets them snap photos, turn them into sketches, and project them instantly. With tons of built-in drawings and guided tutorials, it helps build real confidence and keeps them entertained for hours without needing constant help. If your old blender leaves chunks behind, this one steps in like a powerhouse. It crushes ice and frozen fruit effortlessly, and the extra-large vessel makes big batches super easy. The best part? You can blend, sip, and head out the door using the same cup, thanks to the built-in straw system. Multiple vessels, simple controls, and dishwasher-safe parts keep the whole process fast, smooth, and mess-free. Give your feet the kind of relief they wish you discovered sooner. This machine wraps them in rolling pressure, heat, and compression that sinks right into tense spots after long days of standing or walking. The toe area vibration adds an extra layer of relaxation, and the adjustable settings let you dial in the exact feel you want. Detachable liners keep things fresh, and it comfortably fits larger feet too. Power outages won't scare you anymore with this powerhouse in your bag. This portable charger packs an ultra-high capacity, giving you multiple recharges for your phone, tablet, or even your laptop. You can power up to 3 devices at once, and the main USB-C port delivers super fast charging that keeps your tech ready when you need it. The digital display shows exactly how much power you've got left, so you're never guessing. Keeping your hands clean just got way easier. This touchless soap dispenser releases soap the moment it detects your hand, so you don't have to touch anything. You can adjust how much soap it gives with a simple dial, letting you choose a tiny drop or a generous pump. The clear container shows you exactly when it's time to refill, and the water-resistant design works great on sinks or countertops. Tired of propping your tablet up with whatever's nearby? This stand gives you a steady perch that adjusts exactly how you like it. You can raise it, tilt it, or swivel it until the screen sits right at eye level. Once you set the tightness, it stays solid, even with bigger tablets. It folds down for travel, holds devices from 4 to 14 inches, and keeps your hands free for games, videos, or work. Who knew a tiny fridge could feel like part of your setup? This mini cooler adds a soft, gaming-style glow and keeps your favorite drinks or skincare right within reach. It holds up to 6 cans, and the removable shelf lets you stash smaller items without the clutter. You can run it from a wall outlet or plug it into your car when you're on the move. It's whisper quiet, energy-friendly, and cools down well below room temperature, perfect for snacks, cosmetics, or a late-night treat. Ever wish your coffee could stay as fresh as the day you opened the bag? This vacuum canister makes that happen with a simple twist. It pulls out extra air to slow down staleness, keeping beans, tea leaves, spices, or snacks tasting their best. The airtight seal blocks moisture and odors so your goods stay clean and crisp. Its sleek, modern design looks great on any counter, and the 1.2-liter size gives you plenty of room for your daily essentials. A warm foot soak should be simple, and this foldable bucket makes it easier than ever. You can pour in even boiling water, and the tub handles it without a problem. It folds flat in seconds, so you can store it anywhere or take it wherever you need a quick, relaxing break. A clear, large screen and one-key controls make it perfect for anyone who wants an easy, no-fuss setup. Ever wished soggy shoes could dry themselves? This wall-mounted dryer makes it feel that way. It blasts warm air through 4 pairs at once, giving you dry, comfy footwear in as little as 15 to 30 minutes. A turbo mode tackles heavy moisture fast, while the quiet setting keeps things peaceful at night. You can choose gentle or hotter temperatures to protect delicate materials like leather. Cold bleachers don't stand a chance. This heated stadium seat turns any game into a cozy front row experience. It warms up at the tap of a button with 3 heat levels, and the included USB battery keeps you toasty from kickoff to the final whistle. The cushioned seat, reclining back, and padded armrests feel like bringing your living room to the stands. With multiple pockets and a cup holder, you can stash snacks, drinks, and essentials without juggling anything. Movie night anywhere? Yes, please. This mini projector flips its lens a full 90 degrees, so you can beam a movie on the wall, the ceiling, or even the floor without messing with a tripod. It runs on a built-in battery for up to 4 hours of video and comes with a powerful speaker that fills the room. Auto-correction tech keeps the picture straight and sharp, even at odd angles. And with wireless streaming, Bluetooth audio, and a compact body you can toss in a bag, you've got a cinema that follows you wherever you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.